Are you tired of missing deadlines because your Zoho notes are separate from your Google Calendar? Learn how to sync them in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to connect Zoho Notebook with Google Calendar. Just follow along with these 5 simple steps. First, click the 3-dot icon next to the calendar to open the More Options menu. Then, from that menu, select Get Add-ons to browse available extensions. In the search bar, type Zoho to find the Zoho Notebook integration. Once it appears, go ahead and click the Install button. After installation completes, click Done to finish the setup. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.